Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn about Odoo test server like sandboxes. So many of the users have questions like all different websites or platform providing like sandboxes, right? So is there any testing or sandbox something concept in Odoo? So the answer is yes. So Odoo has like different uh, Runbot, which we can say as a sandbox. So in the Runbox, Odoo tests team like R&D team are like performing sandbox in the like in the Runbot, and also the normal user as we all user can see how this works, right? So first of all, actually this Runbot is mainly operated by Odoo R&D team, but we normal user can also check, right, for the testing purpose. But for normal user we have a demo instance if we want to check how the Odoo features, how like if some user don't know about Odoo and want to check Odoo without creating database or etc., then we have one demo.odoo.com, right? If we navigate to this URL, you can see, right? So if I go to settings, and here this is the latest Odoo SaaS version 19.2. So here we can perform different actions what we want to like test the modules features, right? So this is the like demo instance demo.odoo.com, and now we are going to see how the sandbox is working. So Runbot Odoo something you can just search on the internet and you will say Odoo Runbot, right? And here you can see different branches. So this Runbot is like a sandbox and it is connected with the GitHub. So you can see here different GitHub branches. So master branch, it means that current Odoo team R&D team is working on the latest version. Currently we are on 19, right, which is latest version, but next it will release Odoo 20. So the Odoo team is working on this master version. Master, it means the latest current R&D version where the developers working on that, and this will release as Odoo 20 next in October something. Then a master become 21, right, when Odoo 20 release. So this is latest like version where Odoo team is working. This is not for normal user, and this is SaaS 19.2. SaaS, it means online Odoo, which like one app free, right? Database, and also we can add multiple like apps. So this is Odoo online 19.2, which is latest version. 19.1, which is previous, and this is 19, which is like normal released. This is SaaS 18.4. So this is like previous version 18, 17, 16, right? Normally Odoo support last three versions everywhere. So this is how we can see. Let's say here if you want to check, then here you can see community, right? So it means in master the community Odoo 19, right? Let's say you can see here you can log in with username and password as admin, right? You can see this is the Odoo latest version. You can see the master version where Odoo peoples are working on this and testing everything, right? So if we go again to the Runbot, and here if we want to check enterprise, then we can click here on enterprise, and we can just test using this admin username password. So here we can like test how the functionality of specific version, right, before like going to the actual database or like creating actual database, right. So you can see this is 19 point like latest version. And if you want to test in the previous version, let's say this is Odoo, right, 18. So if you want to test Odoo 18, how it looks, how the features, then you can just uh, test here. We are on community 18 and username and password is admin. If we go to settings and see the version, you can see Odoo 18 community, right. So this is how the Odoo Runbot, the sandbox is working, right. Let's say if we go Odoo 18 and enterprise, then see how it works, right. Sometime what happen when we open this specific branch, I mean that test version, then it will not allow you to log in or not allow you to perform some action, because in that specific time in the same database the Odoo backend team are working or testing something, so they will block the features, right. You can see Odoo 18 enterprise, right. So you can see how it works, everything, right. And also if you want to see Odoo 16, then let's say you can see here this is like working something here. This is Odoo 16 enterprise, right. So this is you can like test in the previous versions also as a test instance, right. You can see here Odoo 16 enterprise, right. So I hope this video will helpful to you to test in the demo.odoo.com, which is the latest Odoo SaaS version. We can test before going to the subscription or like actual database. And also Runbot, which is the like sandbox concept where we can just see the different versions, right. So thank you very much.